What if I told you the car that's supposed to change the world could just as easily leave you stranded, frustrated, and out a small fortune? Buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into everything wrong about a Mr. Elon Musk's billion-dollar automotive company, Tesla, the unfiltered truth straight from a dealer who's lived it. If you want more no-nonsense car reviews, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's not waste a second. For every jaw-dropping launch and headline-grabbing promise, Tesla has a list of problems that would make even a used car salesman sweat. The hype is real, but so are the headaches. Despite their luxury price tags, Teslas often arrive with panel gaps, wind noise, and cheap plastic trim that would embarrass a budget sedan. Even the latest Model 3s show misaligned doors and interior materials, like steering wheel leather and seat coverings, that wear out far faster than you'd expect from a car that once sold for over 60 grand. The ride comfort? The Model 3 feels more like a 2005 Kia Spectra than a luxury sedan, noisy, stiff, and a far cry from the plush experience you'd hope for. Only the Model S comes close to delivering true comfort and refinement. But the real bombshell is the battery. Out of warranty, you could be staring down a $13,000 to a $15,000 bill for a new battery pack on a Model S or Model 3. That's more than what many used Teslas are worth today. High-mileage Teslas often need their batteries replaced, and while many are covered under warranty, once that coverage ends, you're left holding the bill. It's a ticking time bomb that every potential owner needs to consider. Service is another headache, and let me tell you why. Only Tesla service centers can work on your car, and they're few and far between. If you're not near a major city, expect long waits and possible road trips just for basic repairs. Parts shortages are common, and owners have reported waiting weeks or even months for essential components, with no alternatives in sight. Safety and reliability issues are impossible to ignore. Tesla's much-hyped self-driving tech has been hit with lawsuits and recalls for dangerous phantom braking and critical safety gaps. The Cybertruck, Tesla's boldest experiment yet, has already seen 8 recalls in just 15 months, including one for a trim panel that can literally fly off while driving. That's not innovation, that's a warning sign. Then there's Tesla's habit of quietly removing features without warning. Owners have woken up to find their 12V outlets, USB ports, or even remote window controls suddenly disabled by a software update. If you rely on Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you're out of luck. Tesla insists on its own software, and if you don't like it, there's no alternative. Depreciation is another bitter pill. Used Teslas lose value rapidly, which is great if you're buying used, but a nightmare if you bought new. And with demand dropping and protests rising, Tesla's reputation is taking hits from every direction. Here's a fun fact to put it all in perspective. A single Tesla battery replacement can cost more than a brand new economy car. And while Tesla's acceleration is legendary, that thrill fades fast when you're stuck waiting for a repair or facing a 5-figure bill. So, is Tesla the future, or just a flashy gamble? If you crave wild acceleration and love the idea of charging at home, a used Tesla might still tempt you. But be ready for quality quirks, service headaches, and the looming shadow of battery replacement costs. For every wow, there's a wait, what? And that's the Tesla experience in 2025. From misaligned doors to phantom braking, Tesla's journey is a wild ride of highs and lows. If you're shopping for one, inspect every inch, ask about battery history, and brace yourself for surprises. If you found this breakdown eye-opening, hit like, share with your fellow car buffs, and subscribe for more no-nonsense car reviews. Don't miss our next deep dive. Your dream car might just be hiding a nightmare. Join me again as we unlock the world of cars one vault at a time. See you on the next ride.